Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to tag people on Instagram post. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, begin by tapping the plus icon. Select the photo you want to upload from your gallery. After choosing your photo, tap Next at the top right corner. You have the option to apply a filter or add effects to your photo at this stage. Once you've made any desired adjustments, tap Next again. On the following screen, you'll find various options, including the ability to tag people, which is situated just below the photo and caption field. Tap Tag People, then tap anywhere on the photo to place your tag. This will bring up a search bar where you can type the name of the person you wish to tag. Select their name from the list that appears. You can drag the tag around the photo to position it accurately if you're tagging someone who appears in a specific spot in the image. After tagging the desired person, tap Done at the top right of the screen. The tagged person's username will now appear next to Tag People, indicating that they will be notified once the post is published. Additionally, you have the option to invite a collaborator if you wish to co-author the post with someone else. Finally, after you have completed tagging and any other edits, you can proceed to publish your post. The tagged individuals will receive a notification letting them know they have been mentioned in your new photo post. So that's basically how to tag people on Instagram posts. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.